See, it's got another hose right here. We're gonna pull this off. There we go. Make sure this is loose so I can slide this out. There it is. Now, let's take the bolt out. Now, before I take this bolt out, I want everyone to see how inside the thermostat's supposed to look. Loosened up right there. Loosened up right here. Easily bring it out, move that. Voila. This is it right here. Housing and everything. As you see. Oh, yes it was eating up right in here because it was leaking. Okay. Here we go. I got a Murray's right here. This part is where I go get the thermostat housing. See, it's the exact same one. Everything right there. 2 bolts, the plug with the hose. This will go inside, as so, right there. And that's it. Now you see a little nipple right here? That's got to be up like that. Goes in like that. There it is. Bolt right here. See, get that, turn around, just like that, and lie it right in like that, just like that. There's one bolt right here, 10 millimeter. Couple threads in. Another one in. There, as you see, one right in. It's a fairly easy job. Right now, this is what I did right here. 2 bolts on top. Make sure thermostat housing is facing right. Now I'm about to put in this side and this hole right here. Let's tighten it down now. It's a very easy job, very simple. You could do it. Saves you a lot of money, a lot of time. It's always good to know what your car's about, what you're doing. Always got to secure this because you're going to be pressure testing it or whatever test you're going to give to it to see if it's leaking from here.
Now the rubber piece, gasket part of the thermostat, that was no good. It was leaking out through the thermostat.
As you see all through right in here. So I had to go get another one. Thermostat housing.
So how can you...
There, because I had tested it to see where it was leaking. What I used was some cooling color. Put it in, you start the car, and you let it run for about 20-30 minutes. You get UV glasses and have UV light. That's what I used. Connected to the battery, and my special glasses on, and I was using the light. Now, this color came up right here. It's kind of greenish color, greenish yellow. And I looked all through the engine where it was leaking, and it was leaking through right here. Right under right here. So people might think it might be a head gasket or some other major things. No, it was just the thermostat leaking out. The rubber piece was leaking out through right here, the top housing. It's very simple for a person, very easy to, forget that. Now let me show you how to put this on right here. Let me close it out. Here we go. Connect on little hose. Connect on big hose. Get this right here, screwdriver. Put right here. Start tightening down. Nice little short tights. Now this you gotta be careful because you don't want to cut the hose with the clamp. And you can see, it's secured. As you see, the thermostat is up right here. Where it's supposed to be. You have a little nose right there, a little nipple that shows up, and it goes in right here automatically. Now, all I have to do is just fill it up with coolant. Now, another patient has successfully succeeded my operation. Please subscribe and tell me what you think at the bottom. Peace and have a nice day.